In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact support on Charles Schwab app. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to reach help inside the mobile app, how to call the right team from within the app, and where to find in-person assistance if you prefer a branch visit. First up, the fastest option, live chat inside the app. Open the Schwab mobile app and log in. At the top of the screen, look for the Schwab Assistant icon. It's a colored chat-style icon. Tap it to open the assistant. In the message box, type "Chat with a representative." The assistant is designed to route you directly to a live agent, so after a brief moment, you should be connected. If the assistant offers automated suggestions first, just continue by typing the same phrase to request a human. Keep your message short and clear about what you need, like help with a trade, a statement question, or a banking issue. For security, never share passwords, full account numbers, or one-time codes in chat. If identity verification is needed, the agent will guide you through it safely within the app. If you'd rather speak to someone, you can call support directly from the app. From the main screen, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu, then go to Support, choose Client Service, and tap Call Schwab. This path ensures you're connecting to official phone lines. You'll see options for general support, trading help, and banking. Pick the one that best matches your question. Many services are available 24/7, so you can usually get assistance anytime. If you're calling about something complex, have relevant details ready, like the account type or the securities ticker symbol, but avoid sharing sensitive credentials. If wait times are high, consider using chat, which is often quicker. Prefer in-person help? Use the branch locator in the app. From Client Service, open Branch Locator to find nearby offices. This is helpful for more detailed questions or if you want face-to-face guidance. You'll see locations near you and can choose the most convenient branch. A few final tips to keep things smooth. Chat is usually the fastest way to get quick answers. Phone support covers most needs around the clock, and for your safety, always start from the official Schwab app or website rather than third-party links. If anything looks suspicious, end the session and reconnect through the app's support menu. That's it. You now have 3 reliable ways to contact support right inside the Charles Schwab app.